What's up everyone, this is Charlie from Xclusive Autoworks, and today we are wrapping this 2017 Corvette. We're doing the front bumper in PPF along with the headlights, and we're also doing the door sills. So for in there, we're just gonna be doing a little piece just to protect it from, you know, your shoes and stuff. And it's also the winter time, so we're just gonna get full protection for the customer. So first, we're gonna do a full wipe down of the car. Even though we're only doing the bumper, we're gonna be wiping down pretty much most of the car. Just like a light clean. We gotta make sure there's no debris on the car. PPF is very sensitive with that. You know, it's clear. So if you have any little specks of dirt in it, you're gonna have to flush everything out. So yeah, right now me and Tommy, we're gonna be wiping this thing down and just prepping it for the wrap. Alright, so we just finished washing the car. Now we're just pulling on the lift. We're gonna wait till it's on here to clay it. So we're just gonna lift that up. So once it's up, we're gonna clay the front bumper. We're gonna fully prep that to put the PPF on, and then we'll get started with laying. Drop it good, right? So actually, before we clay the car, we're just getting the pre-cut ready. We have software loaded on there. We have our cutter. So what it's gonna do is it's pretty much gonna cut out the bumper perfectly. We have all the little cuts we're gonna need. And it's just gonna be a cutout piece already, so we'll be able to lay it on the car and just line up the edges, and it should be a full coverage bumper. Alright, so we got the PPF cut out from the plotter. Just got out. You can't see the cuts, but whole thing's cut. So now we're gonna clay the bumper, make sure that's all prepped, and then we're gonna lay that. we need like light back here. Okay, so the bumper's all prepped. We're just gonna spray, grab the pre-cut, and lay it on. Alright, so me and Tommy just finished the vet. The front bumper is done. This was done in a pre-cut, like we said. So there are some seams, but they're pretty much invisible. We're just waiting for everything to dry out, so then we can double check in the edges. We also did the door sills, which were done in two pieces. One rectangle to cover the Corvette, and that actually goes down to here. And then there's another piece here. There's a piece that goes up here, and it's cut like an L. Piece goes down here, tucks in there, and then this whole top piece, and over here. We did the headlights, which was again in clear. These were pre-cut also, so we took them to the plotter, got those cut out, and installed those. So yeah, this car is pretty much done. We're gonna keep making videos for other cars that we're gonna be working on in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching us do this. We're definitely gonna be doing a lot more PPF in the future. We'll also have vinyl and corrections, you know, paint correction and stuff. But yeah, we'll be posting a lot more in the future. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you later.